Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this earring. We're going to be, I just want to style it and just upgrade it from the normal earring. I've always done it for others, but I've never done it for myself before. So let's just get right into it. Please just know that this is a Sunday morning and I'm rushing to church. I have about 15 minutes to get ready, and I'll be using my crochet hook 2.5 here. I dropped the longer one and I used this T-Rose instead. It's also 2.5 mm, but you'd see number 1 written on it. Okay, so you start with a slip knot and then you just go right ahead, go from under your earring. So you just yarn over, then instead of pulling through, there's nothing you're pulling through, just bring it across to the other side, then you continue. So I was working my single crochet with the leftover yarn from the start, so I just had to work some single crochet on it so I can be able to lose it. Okay, after working some one, I then chain 3, then go into the third one, yarn over and just do a slip stitch there. Then you just want to proceed to doing your single crochet. Okay, the first one I didn't count it. Okay, so I'm guessing it should be around 16, but this one I'll be doing 12. Okay, so this is my 4th stitch. I'm going to do it until I have 12 single crochet, right? So once I have 12 single crochet, sorry, at some point, this place where I fast forward, I was recording off the camera and I'm so sorry for that. In fact, I had many places where I had to do off camera, and that was because I was trying to be time conscious because I was already late for church. Okay, so what you're going to do basically is do 12 single crochet, then you proceed doing chaining 3, then go into the first one you chain, that's the third one from your hook, then just do a slip stitch there. Yeah, then continue working your single crochet on your ring, your hair ring. Okay, so the purpose of adding the chain 3, then do a slip stitch in the third one is just to not make it plain like that. Yeah, I was in a hurry, but then I just didn't want to make random single crochet, so I just did that to give it some kind of twist to the work. Okay, you know how we do here. So you can, depending on, you're going to see how it looks at the end of the video. Okay, but depending on whatever it is that you want, if you want the distance between your your two, those points there, those points where we did chain 3, if you want it to be more than this, obviously please go for it. You can just increase. Then the yarn I'm using is giraffe cotton yarn. Yeah, so 2 strands, that's what I'm using. Yeah, okay, so I'm just using this one to just give you information of what I did. Okay, then you can proceed doing your 12 single crochet, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 1, 2, 3. Go to the third one from the hook, just do a slip stitch and go ahead onto your ring again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, 11. Okay, you just want to just keep going like that, and you're going to get your result. Okay, as you're going, please remember that you have to use your hand to adjust your single crochets. And once you're working your single crochets on your earring, please make sure that you are adjusting your yarn with your other hand that you're using to hold it, so that it won't be too loose. It can be, it can fit perfectly well on the ring that you have there. Okay, so I'm going to just continue and show you what I have. Yeah, I'm halfway done, or more than halfway safe. Okay, please, you can decide to do your own. You can decide to just customize your own differently. It doesn't have to be 12 single crochet. You might not want that polka dots, whatever, to be too much in yours. So you can just do like 18, then that, 18 single crochet, then that. Okay, so, and if you want it to be more than this, just reduce the number of the single crochet. Please, I am so sorry. I truly apologize for going off camera. Please, I was in a haste and I didn't want you guys to just miss out on it. I don't want to post and then you start asking for tutorial. So I was like, okay, why not? Let's just use one stone to kill two birds. And here we are, almost losing the two birds. Okay, so yeah, so I'm almost done with the with the stitches on this for now, as you can see. So you just want to go ahead and use your hand to adjust whatever you've worked on your ring. Just use your hand to adjust it this way. Okay, so remember I told you the other time that you have to make sure that your stitches are tied to the ring. Yeah, so if your stitches are loose, you might end up having a work that will keep turning and turning and turning. But once you fix it this way, at the end of the day it won't turn again. Okay, so I had to just adjust it, and as you can see, the space that was remaining that was much before has been adjusted. Okay, yeah, so I had to turn my crochet hook because it was already, the whole turning and turning and turning made it like that. Okay, so let me just do a few more stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do I need more? Let me just cut my yarn at this point. That's fast enough. Just chain 1. Please and please don't use your hand to cut your yarn like me. Please don't be like me. And then at this point, you want to make use of a darning needle to just, use it and insert it back into the crochet stitches that you have. But I was in a hurry, like I told you. So I just had to tie the knot here, and yeah, just like this, split the ends and just tie it as much as possible. Okay, then cut your yarn, and you want to go ahead to just use your lighter to, if you are seeing any ends that are undone, just use your lighter, and here you have. Okay, hold on, I can say another one. Yeah, so here you go. This is the second one, and this is how they look. Okay, so I bet you can see the difference from the two videos that you have on your screen. And here's the finished look. Please, I want you to do yours too and tag me on Instagram, Calipapella, on TikTok, Calipapella too. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.